Hey guys, so today's video I'm going to be bringing you guys a new hair company that I never heard about. Nothing. Like, they decided to, I guess they ran across my YouTube channel and they just decided to contact me. Well, she decided to contact me and she wanted me to do a hair review and post it on my YouTube if I like it, and I like it so far. So the name of the company is Kanata hair, and this is the little baggie that it came in. It is so freaking pretty, y'all. Like, it's like this silk bag. It just say her name on there and it say 100% human hair, and they got their website down at the bottom below. And I really like that it came in this little bag because, you know, most companies that I've seen like on YouTube, they will put it in like a little plastic regular bag. They won't even try to spice it up. And girl, you know, just plain old regular. But the fact that she really put some thought into it, you know, if that's a plus. So it came in this this little pink packaging, and I can't really show y'all the front because it got my address on there, but it came in this little pink packaging. And before I even get started, when we was talking, she responded back. Her communication is great. I didn't have no trouble. I expected it within like 3 shipping days. It came pretty quick. She sent it to me on a Thursday, and today is Wednesday. And keep that in mind that, you know, they don't really ship out on the weekend, so that's a plus. It came very quick. And inside the bag, first thing that I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I opened the bag already because I was just so eager to even try the hair. And at first I wasn't even gonna record like the actual video today, but I decided to. So the first thing I pull out is this little envelope, and it just has her social media. It has this little card right here, and it just says, "Thank you for shopping with us. We value your business. Our goal is to deliver the best product and the best customer service. If you have any questions or comments regarding your order, please call us. Take off 15% off your next order." So that's a plus. If you order from them, guys, you're gonna receive 15% off your next one, and that's a plus because who doesn't like discounts? And what else is inside the bag is these little her business cards, and it also got her social media and everything on there, you know. And in the front it just has her logo signature, and I already like that. So they sent me a 18-inch, a 20-inch, a 20-inch, and I got a 22-inch closure. I mean, not 22-inch, a 22-inch, and I got a 4x4 14-inch closure. And I'm gonna start off with the bundles first. Wait a minute, because this junk is just all over the place. I already opened up the 18-inch, and so far the hair is so beautiful. Like, y'all, when I tell you, like, the ends are like so freaking full, y'all. Like, the ends are amazing. I feel like the ends is what really is important to me as well, because you do not want brittle, you know, tacky looking ends. Like, no, the hair, I'm not receiving no shedding so far. I know all hair sheds, but I ain't gonna lie though, when I first got it out the pack, oh, that's a snag, but it's okay though, because the hair is still good though. When I first got it out the pack, it was like a few shedding, you know, but you know, like I said, all hair sheds, so I really don't see like that's a problem. It's not to the fact like, oh my god, like, as y'all can see, literally, like, I'm running my fingers through it and y'all do not see no hair whatsoever at all. Like, the hair is like, oh, that was one strand, just one, y'all. if y'all can see that. But so far so good in my opinion. The hair is like very bouncy. This is the hair is natural shine and luster. I love it. Like the weft is very thick, and like I said, this is the 18-inch bundle body wave hair, and I love this. This is very nice. So we're gonna go on to the 20-inch bundle, y'all. And now these two bundles I didn't open because I just wanted to save it purposely for the video, just in case, you know. And so far, like I said, the hair is still amazing. The hair is so soft, y'all. I wish y'all can see, like, as y'all can see, it looks very soft. It's very bouncy. I'm not experiencing no shedding whatsoever at all with this hair. And like I said, y'all, I never ever heard of this hair company before, and I'm really kind of impressed. Like, honestly, like, this is my first hair review ever. Like, this is the first time that anybody has ever seen me anything, and the simple fact that, like, I just was scared, you know, because, you know, it'd be a lot of scams and it'd be a lot of people that be playing. But honey, let me tell you, this is just amazing. Like, this is such, I'm probably gonna make this into a wig. Yep, I'm probably gonna make it into a wig because I think I really want to start making wigs and getting into that. So yeah, so this is very nice. I love this. This is a 20-inch. Like, as y'all can see, this hair is like very shiny. Like, the luster is like so nice. And this is the bundle with, and oh yeah, and on the tag it just say their her logo, hair company as well. So far so good. And last but not least, this is the 22-inch place. Oops, the tag came off. Oh man, I did not mean to do that. But this is a 22, and the hair is so freaking soft, y'all. Like, this is so freaking soft. Like, and it's thick too. It's very thick. It's not thin at all. It's very full from the roots all the way down to the ends. I'm not experiencing no bad nothing. Like, honestly, kid you not, guys. I swear, like, give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling this hair so far. Like, look at this. Like, look at it, y'all. I'm so happy that the quality is just so amazing. Like, this is very nice. I'm in love, y'all. I'm just really in love. So this is the 3 bundles together. When I tell you guys, this, even when the bundles together, oh yep, yeah, actually I did experience one little hair. I'm not experiencing none. I got a second strand. It's minimum shedding, literally, y'all. Like, when I tell you it's minimum shedding, this is amazing. Like, this is amazing. Like, I love the bundles. I love the luster. I'm pretty excited, you guys. I might dye it. I think I might dye it because I really want to try some new things. But whatever I do, I will gladly, and I will make sure that I do record the whole process, as far as me dyeing the hair, styling it, making it into a wig, because that's what I know for sure I'm going to do. So this is the closure. This is the package that the closure came in. And like I said, this is a 4x4 14-inch closure, and this is the closure. Hold on, y'all. It's really good, y'all. I feel like the ends on the closure feel a tad bit different than the rest of the hair. I feel like if I just after I co-wash it and stuff, and, you know, condition it, everything should be fine. It ain't nothing too bad. It just feel like a little bit more drier than the bundle ends. But other than that, it's perfectly fine. I'm not experiencing no shedding whatsoever. Well, that was a strand right there. Every time I say that, a strand always end up coming out. Always. But like I said, it's bare minimum. It's not all hair's gonna shed. Like I said, all hair gonna shed. This is what the closure looks like. And so far, like I said, I love it. I cannot wait to try this hair out. It's very, very nice. All I'm gonna do for this is probably have to bleach the knots, and that's about it. As far as anything else, I really like this hair. I really love it. If you guys want to know, if you guys want to purchase any of their hair, I'm gonna link everything down in the description box below. And like I said, y'all, like, this is my first hair review, y'all. I'm pretty excited. Like I said, oh, flipping pretty, y'all. Okay. And somebody, I have to mention this. This is just so funny. Everybody is asking how old I am. I'm 18 years old. I know that the videos is making it look like I'm just so young. Like, somebody said I look like I was 14, and no, like, no, I graduated high school and everything. Yeah. This was the first time me ever doing the frontal, plucking it and everything, y'all, and I think I did pretty good as far as bleaching the knots and all. So if y'all want a video on how I do this frontal, I have to stay tuned, because guys, I'm loving it. I feel like it looks so natural. And yeah, so I don't mind my skin, y'all. I'm having a little bit of breakouts, but any questions, like I said, this is the 18, 20, 22. So when you go to the website language is going to be in Canadian. So there is a currency converter on the website. You can just click that and it will translate everything from Canadian to English, and that's no problem. I think this is what that's it. I think that's it. Like I said, if you guys want any other videos that you would like to see, let me know, and I will for sure record a video about it, you know. And thank you, let me say that, thank you guys for watching my YouTube. Thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you for all the love and the support that everybody has been giving me, and I'm just so thankful. Like, I can't be no more than thankful, because guys, this is a new journey for me. As of you know, I just started my YouTube channel. My last video almost made it to 100, well, it's about to hit 100K. This is a new journey for me, and I really appreciate everybody that has been commenting, looking forward to watching my channel, that's been showing love. Just thank you guys. Thank you so much for everything. I'm still learning. I'm still working on everything. I'm starting to get better at editing videos. I'm trying to get better. Tell me anything that you guys think that I should improve on, because I would love to hear you guys' feedback. And go check that out. I will link my last 2 videos in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. You guys, and thanks for watching my channel, and thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for more. I'm going to be trying to get into a process of uploading like a specific day every week, to try to get, you know, have a consistent base so you guys can know when to come back to my channel. And thank you guys so much. Like I said, if you guys want to see anything, just let me know. Any questions, just comment below, and I will try to respond back to anybody, any and everybody, as fast as possible. Just work with me. Thank you guys so much, and you guys have a blessed day. Man, you stay taking those pictures.